You are merging onto the highway and your car feels like it has lost its pep, almost like you are towing a heavy trailer that isn't there, and then the check engine light pops up. If you scan it and see a P0086, you are looking at a circuit high condition for the exhaust valve control solenoid on bank 2. This is an OBD, 2 powertrain code related to the variable valve timing system, which is the magic that allows your engine to be both efficient at idle and powerful at high speeds. The engine control module or powertrain control module uses a pulse width modulated signal to control a solenoid that regulates oil flow to change the camshaft position. When the computer sees a voltage signal that is higher than it should be, it realizes it has lost control over that exhaust valve timing and sets this code. Bank 2 specifically refers to the side of the engine that does not contain cylinder number 1. So make sure you are looking at the correct cylinder head before you start pulling parts. Usually this solenoid is located on the exhaust manifold side of the head. When this system fails, your car suffers from poor acceleration and noticeably worse fuel economy because the engine timing is stuck in a less than ideal position. This could be caused by a simple loose connection or a wiring harness that has rubbed through and is shorting to power. It could also be the solenoid itself failing internally. To diagnose this properly, you should start with the wire harness, looking for any signs of green corrosion in the plugs or loose terminals. Grab your digital volt ohm meter and set it to the ohm scale to check the resistance of the solenoid itself. If the meter shows an overlimit reading or almost no resistance, that solenoid is toast and needs to be replaced. If the solenoid tests fine, you will need to check for a short to power in the harness. With the engine control module unplugged, use your meter to check for voltage on the signal wires while the key is on. If you see voltage where there shouldn't be any, you have got a wiring nightmare to track down. In rare cases, the engine control module itself might be the problem. Constantly sending a high signal, but always rule out the simple wiring and solenoid issues first to save yourself a lot of time and money.